Starting this morning, the March for Education begins from Webster High School. The Tulsa Classroom Teacher Association is organizing the walk that will cover about 110 miles from Tulsa to the state capitol. They'll be stopping at 7 different high schools to spend the night before beginning the march the next morning. Each leg is expected to take about 5 to 6 hours to walk. Now here's a breakdown of each stop. Day 1 will be Kellyville High School, then Bristow, Stroud, Chandler, Wellston, and Jones High School before arriving in Oklahoma City. Tulsa Public Schools Superintendent Deborah Gist is joining this 7-day march. Reporting in Jenks, Giselle Puente, 2 Works for You.